Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Today is Diwali. First off, let me wish all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. On your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, the video I bought for you today is about an American baseball pitcher known for his success in Major League despite having been born without a right hand. He played 10 seasons from 1989 to 1999 and now he is a motivational speaker. I will share more about him with you shortly, but before that, let me give you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020, and in a short span of about 1.5 years, we have garnered over 625 subscribers and 16,000 viewing hours. My mission is to ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles. I want to change their thought process. Living by these eternal human principles such as loyalty, integrity, honesty, respect for diversity, respect for womanhood, respect for our elders is the only sure shot way to success. These principles do not change over time and place. And on this channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, I bring to you examples of inspirational human beings who are living their life by these eternal principles. The story I brought for you today is about the American baseball pitcher Jim Anthony Abbott, who lives by the principles of courage, overcome adversity, believing in oneself, self confidence. For all my subscribers, my heartfelt gratitude and thank you. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them also to subscribe and join our mission to live by the eternal human principles. Coming back to our story, I'm speaking to you about American baseball pitcher Jim Anthony Abbott, who was born without a complete right hand. Despite that, in his amateur career, he won in the 1988 Summer Olympics, the demonstration event, a gold medal. In the Pan American Games and the Baseball World Cup, he won silver medals. Was born on September 1967, graduated from Flint High School, went on to play for the University of Michigan, and there he won the James E. Sullivan Award for being the nation's best amateur athlete. All this despite being born without a right hand. Then, despite this drawback, thanks to his courage, determination, self confidence, his ability to overcome adversity, he went on to play for the major leagues. He joined the California team between 1989 to 1992, then went on to the New York Yankees from 1993 to 1994, went on to play for the Chicago White Sox in 1995, went back to the Californian team between 1995 and 1996, back to Chicago White Sox in 1998 and 1999. He played for Milwaukee Brewers. He retired in his career with 87 wins, 108 losses, 4.25 earned run average, and then went on to be a motivational speaker. He won multiple awards during his career. His first was in 1986, the United States Sports Academy recognizing him for his courage and determination for overcoming adversity to excel in sports. 1987, he won the Golden Spikes Award. 1992, he went on to receive the Tony Conigliaro Award for Determination and Courage. 2003, he was inducted into the baseball's Reliquary Shrine of Eternals. 2014, became one of the 12 recipients of Henry Viscardi Achievement Awards. 2012, he wrote his autobiography, which was co-authored by Tim Brown, called as Imperfect and Improbable Life. Friends, baseball player, American Jim Anthony Abbott is an inspirational for all who complain in life. Despite being born without a complete right hand, he went on to win a Summer Olympics game and also played in the Major League for over 10 years. He is an inspiration for all of us in overcoming obstacles. Friends, I'm sure you like these inspirational videos which I bring for you on a regular basis on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. My mission is to share with you stories of mankind at their very best, living by the eternal human principles. The reason I share these stories is to encourage the present coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. These principles, such as loyalty, integrity, honesty, respect for diversity, womanhood, for our elderly, courage, determination, fighting against adversity, not giving up, are eternal, don't change over time and place. And living by these principles is the only way that you can succeed in life. Friends, I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to subscribe to the channel. Share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them to join our mission and subscribe to the channel. For all my subscribers, 625 plus, my heartfelt gratitude. And for all of you, I wish you a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. I will be back again soon with another very inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till then, I wanted to say, stay safe, stay blessed. And before I sign off for the day, once again, very, very happy Diwali. Take care.